So let's talk Valentine's making with the Minc. I'm going to take a Minc lamination sheet and these foil flakes. They are Minc foil flakes by Heidi Swapp in a blush pink. And I'm just going to open my lamination sheet and sprinkle the flakes all around inside the lamination sheet. I don't really have a plan here. The fun is in the surprise, so I'm just going to sprinkle them freely and liberally until I feel like I am happy with how many are in my lamination sheet. Using my fingers to just separate them, we're going to get a nice coverage, close our pouch, and then run it through our Minc machine on heat setting 3 so that we secure the lamination sheet together with our foil flakes inside. Once we remove it, you can see how flawlessly they have merged together to seal and create this really cool foiled effect. Next, I'm going to take some heart-shaped dies that are from my collection. I believe these were from scrapbook.com, and create some heart-shaped ghost shapes simply by placing the dies on top of the plastic pouch with the foil flakes perfectly laminated inside. I'm going to place it in my die cut machine and run it through a couple of times. I find sometimes with the lamination pouch, you need to do a few run-throughs to make sure that the die has cut through the plastic. It is not too thick, but it is still nice to do a few passes so we get a nice clean cut. Then I'm going to remove my dies. You can see this one popped out so easily, and how fun does that look? You can create all sorts of hearts in all different sizes depending on your die, and I think it is just such a cool vibe with the foil flakes inside the lamination pouch. Next, let's create a fun little card. So I'm just going to take a piece of pattern paper, and with this card I want to tuck my heart in. So I am simply going to kind of eyeball and measure where I want my heart so that I can make my corresponding slits so that I can slide in my ghost shape heart. It is really easy to create little pockets. I am just simply using a straight edge ruler and a craft knife to measure out and have a place where I can hold my heart securely, and it fits great. To stamp, I'm going to use the February Captions Heidi Swapp set. I love the sentiments on this set, and I think it's so fun for anything February/Valentine related. I love this phrase, and it's just perfect for what I need. Now, just to add a few little hearts and some colored ink to my edges. Really, from this point on, it's whatever you would desire for your card. But I think the ghost heart looks so great backed onto a festive and coordinating color of pattern paper paired with stamps is a great little way to make some fun Valentine cards. Next up, I'm going to add some machine stitching because I just love adding a little bit of texture and textile to my projects, and Valentine's cards are always fun with a little extra something special. Now that is done, I will just remove my machine, and there you go. A cute little Valentine's Day card with some foiled flake fun.